No, there's no speed cameras in it.
No, there's traffic cams and then there will be a copper sat at the end.
Wait, there'll be a cop sat at the end?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the Beat Cage vlog. It's a bit dark in here because it's like 1 AM. But tonight we are going on some tunnel runs with a highly modified Audi A3 S-Line. So this should be pretty good. What's the verdict?
Yeah, cool. Shell, Greenwich.
Yeah.
Does that take you through tunnels?
Yes.
It's fun.
I just got off the phone with Gabriel there. We're within a mile radius of each other and they've still managed to go to the wrong Texagos.
Fuck's sake.
We're like bang in the middle of Poplar, which is exactly where they should have been coming into, but they've completely missed it again. The struggle of making a video with people who are into cars. Oh, actually, no, just Gabriel not knowing where he is.
No, it's Gabriel.
Yeah, no,
it's pure Gabriel, mate. Because Jack doesn't fucking have a clue, mate.
Right, so we tried to help them locate us by saying we were at that perfect fried chicken right there. And they've drove past 2 perfect fried chickens and still not found this Texago. So now Tom is actually sending them the proper address of this fucking Texago. These 2 fucking morons have finally turned up. Mr. Wrong Turn. What happened to you?
That was a fucking nightmare. Gabriel can't fucking...
Nope, I noticed. Right, heading back for Limehouse Link from here then. Good lad. Hey, Tom, do you want to get out and swap the GoPros? Take the one off the exhaust into the car. Out. Hello, Mr. GoPro.
Hi.
Remember this shit. Fucking hell, Gabriel, you want to talk the fuck out of this? Why'd you open these cases?
I have no idea.
One eternity later.
Oh, God.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
You're going first.
Okay.
Right, okay. Round 2. Do you trust them to go the right way?
No, definitely fucking not.
We've got Gabriel navigating in the front car, so we actually don't know where he's taking us or if he knows at all where he's going. Jesus fuck. If we've achieved nothing, I just want Gabriel to be terrified. Let us in, little man. Slick. Hope you enjoyed our tunnel run. Hope you enjoyed that tunnel run. Thanks for watching. There'll be another video out tomorrow. There's one every fucking day. Hi, Gabriel. That was class. Alright. I said in the last clip, if I've achieved nothing else, I just want you to have been terrified.
Yeah, no, it was fine until the last roundabout there. Where
that's exactly when I said it.
Swung my
Yeah.
head.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I understand why you all like cars.
Make sure you drop a like on this video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. There'll be more car videos, there'll be more camera videos, there'll be more everything videos. There's a video every day. Thank you, goodbye.